Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how to make money with crypto this year, even if you are a complete beginner and you're like, what is that crypto stuff? We're gonna go more about that in this video intro. Hey guys, how's it going? Mike Vasile here. Before we actually begin, I'll remind you that several spots have opened up for this week's free workshop where we are going over the fastest and easiest ways to make money online. We literally have a 62-year-old grandma go from $0 to $100,000 in as little as 90 days. So check it out in the free workshop below. But that being said, let's talk about how to make money with crypto. The first way, obviously, is investing low. Now, this really depends on where you feel the market's gonna go. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but if you believe that crypto is here to stay, that the blockchain technology is here to stay, then becoming an investor into things are going to be a good way. Like I remember when I first got started in crypto and I would literally go to all these events, right? It was like back in 2017 and it was just insane because when I went to these events, you would just see the weirdest people. There were people that looked like drug dealers or people that were severely overweight. There was also people that were like 14 and 15 years old and all of them made millions from crypto. How was it? Because they just invested a lot earlier on. Now, granted, some people didn't know they were investing when they were just trying to buy and sell sketchy stuff. But because of the fact that they had it in their possession when it was in a very low value and they kept onto it as it got a higher value, that's how they were making their money. Like I remember I met this guy, it was just the most ridiculous story. He literally got his inheritance money. Like I think his grandpa died or something and he was like bestowed onto him like $100,000. And then he was just like, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna take all this $100,000 and he just threw it into Bitcoin. And because of that, it grew like crazy. He showed me it and I was like, oh my God, how did you have the stomach to just throw all of that money into Bitcoin when it wasn't even that popular? That's because you have to kind of like believe the technology, right? And I'm just really curious, would you do something as ballsy like that? It's pretty ballsy, right? I don't know if I would have had the stomach to do it, especially when not a lot of people were talking about it when he got into it. And like I said, there still could be an opportunity now, depending on if you think it's gonna keep on growing and you think it still has like a long-term widespread ability to actually get more and more people to actually go ahead and do it. It's very easy. You just go to Coinbase and literally you just link it up with any debit or credit or even like your bank account and you can just start buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcash, whatever you want to. Like I said, super easy to actually get started with investing with Coinbase. The second thing is trading. Binance is a good way to also start with exchanges. I also met another guy in Thailand, I think it was. He came over here from Canada and a lot of his money he made was from trading. Now, granted, he also worked for exchanges when he was younger and he was getting paid disgusting amounts of Bitcoin back when Bitcoin was worth nothing. But now how he makes more and more money is he lets the Bitcoin that he has actually go to work for himself, right? So what he would do is he would do a lot of day trading. Now, granted, like this would ruin your soul if you don't know much about day trading. You have to do all this like technical analysis and like put little graphs and X's and lines and whatnot. And it is a pretty tedious way to actually get started with that, which is why in every gold rush, it is sometimes better to actually go ahead and sell Sevils. That is why I would also recommend just maybe becoming an affiliate for this exchange. Because instead of you going in risking your money and your capital day trading, what if you just gave crypto news on like a blog or YouTube, because of the fact that the competition is very, very low, because this is just a new trend that is really surfacing to the mainstream population. With the Binance affiliate program, you could see that you could get up to 50% commission every single time someone completes a trade. Because at the end of the day, no matter if someone makes money or loses money in cryptocurrency, the people that will always make money is the house, is the exchange. So another good idea to mitigate your risk is what if you're just like, let me just partner with these people. Like I said, I have friends that went this route because they're like, man, I'm losing so much money with day trading. What if I just like made crypto news videos? And there's so many different ones that are now popping out. And it's very easy to actually get views because there's so many people that are Googling it, but very few people are actually creating content compared to all the other things like how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on Pinterest, how to make money on all these things, right? There's so many people that are already talking about this. When it comes to this, not a lot of people are talking about the crypto news. And because it's news, there are so much things to talk about, guys. So even just doing something like that, sending them to your Binance affiliate link, you could start making money with that. Now, the next level is learn and earn by lending your crypto. It's the exact same thing like a bank, man. Like banks make money by taking your money, putting it in their little savings account. But when you're not looking, guess what? They take that money and they invest it on your behalf, but they won't pay you anything from what they invest from the money that you are allowing them to actually hold. They literally take that money and earn money off of money that's not even theirs by lending it out. Now, you don't have to be a bank to actually make money with that. You could actually start making money by lending and earning crypto rewards with cryptocurrencies. It's pretty easy. How to earn more from your crypto holdings. You can earn rewards on cryptocurrencies you hold on your Bitfinex wallet. The list of supported cryptos offer a wide choice of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. So slow minimum deposit required and no lookup period. The rewards can be withdrawn to your Bitfinex wallet with ease. And just like that, you are ready to go. You start leveraging money like the 1%, where instead of you working for your money, you let your money work for yourself. Now, the next level, which we are getting into, is social media. Steemit is a good way as well. You could see all these people writing blog articles and whatnot. This person made $13, $26, $30, $18. You could even get it to the point where you're making up to $100 a day. Look at this. This is, I think, Chinese. Konnichiwa, what is up? And it's pretty simple to sign up. The reason why they do this is because they get paid by getting a bunch of views to this blog article, right? Or this blog in general, right? So then advertisers are willing to pay them to start putting things like this, which is advertising, to be seen to all these people that are, coming on this blog article. Most people, they're like, screw you. We're not going to pay you any of that money. You could just be a writer on our platform and get like a little link to your own little blog. Steemit's not like that. They're like, okay, because you're helping us build this platform, you're helping us get eyeballs, why don't we just pay you back what we're also making as well? It's kind of like the YouTube model as well, where you make content and then they'll pay you a portion of the advertiser money, or when you write a blog and people put advertising and Google AdSense on it, instead of the advertisers making all the money, they'll literally split the profit with you. This is just another way to make money with crypto. And then you have a very interesting way. I have a friend in Australia. He literally did this, and while he was building his restaurant, he started mining Bitcoin. And because of that, he just turned into a Bitcoin millionaire. I'm not saying that's going to be you, right? Because this isn't financial advice. But essentially, you got to do is just like buy miner rigs and stuff like that. You could see kind of like the profitability per day. You got $50 a day, $37 a day, $20 a day. If you get multiple of these, you could also start making multiple streams of income in Bitcoin. You're going to get one of these interesting looking machines right here, and you see like the profit you have per year. It's a pretty intense looking setup rig. Once you actually get one of these, you just got to get like a Bitcoin wallet, which Exodus you could get up and running. It's completely free to get started. You could just get Exodus now. And this is where you like hold your crypto. This is like your bank or your wallet, right? You get to hold all these things. And then you have to join a pool. So here you could join a slush pool account. Keep an eye on your farm while you're on the go. Find out about issues as soon as they happen. Verify that your rewards are fair with our statistical proofs. Where you could get one of these at nicehash.com. NiceHash miner, most profitable and easy use miner. They have a bunch of demos here, and you could already start mining Bitcoin. But you also have to have like all of this setup, guys. And the setup could be pretty complicated, especially if you don't want to learn all these mumbo jumbos. It is an interesting hobby if you do believe in the technology, but it could also be a little bit complicated, especially if you're just trying to use it to make a bunch of money without actually liking what this is, which is why I would recommend this week's free workshop, which is the fastest and easiest way to make money. The fastest way to not only go from $0 to $55 a day, but like I said, we have a bunch of new beginners making their first $100 a day, $300 a day, $500 a day, all without zero experience. Check it out on the link below. What are your thoughts about Bitcoin mining? What are your thoughts about cryptocurrency? Comment below. I would love to know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out this podcast here or check out this video right here. And with that being said, I love you guys. I'll see you guys later.